Hi. Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase zoom video quality. So that can solve the problem of the low quality while you are using your camera on the Zoom meetings. So actually that's so easy to be done. Let's dive in. So first we will go into our Zoom Workplace app that you can get from Microsoft Store, this app, or you can get from zoom.us/download. And then what I need from you to do, you just need to go into this icon, click on it, and then go into settings, or go to the top right corner into the gear icon settings, and then click on it. Once you are in, what I need from you to do is to go into the video on the top, click on it, and then choose your camera here. All right, and then click on that option HD. So once you click on that option, you will get a good quality, a good Zoom video quality, and that's how to increase Zoom video quality. Anyways, guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your beloved ones. And thank you so much for watching. See you next video.